This is the KeychainReview Butane Lighter and Multifunction Multi-tool keychain from KeychainReview. So look at it. It comes with scissors, bottle opener, file, fingernail cleaner, and a knife. Little split ring and keychain clasp. Ball chain, keychain clasp. So, and here's the lighter. It's pretty cool. Butane. Spot. Filling butane right here. A screw right there. Side. Other side. Top. So feels good. Solid. Doesn't feel flimsy. Yeah, I really like it. I didn't think I would like it, but once I held it, it feels pretty solid. So it's a good product. Knife, I think, is pretty sharp. Probably shave hairs for this. Let me see. Nope, can't shave any hairs with this. It's not that sharp. Yeah, not shaving any hairs. Use it to cut packaging. Well, I haven't used it yet. Check out this scissors here. Scissors works. So, pretty cool lighter. So that's the KeychainReview, however you pronounce it. Lighter from KeychainReview.